You know what ticks me off? People who don't appreciate a good sneeze. That's just disgusting. You just don't know how to make a sneeze fun. Once you feel it coming, you look for the nearest bystander. Now they're enjoying a complimentary snot shower. Disgusting. Sometimes you've got to be polite and sneeze into your hand. And now your problem is their problem. Oh, and what do you do if nobody's around? Eat it? Wait. Don't forget to subscribe. If you do, I'll give you a headbutt. That's ogre for thank you.